I just got these planter caddies for these two pots as I want to be able to move them around, specifically pull them away from this clematis without breaking my back or damaging this roofing material surface they're on. Now they come fully assembled and two of the wheels have locking mechanisms on them so you can lock it and prevent it from rolling on you. And they're super sturdy, they look really nice, and they actually match my patio furniture, which is super cool. Right now these pots are just on some rocks, which both doesn't look good and is not easy to move around. I'm hoping this will not only look better and keep them off the surface, which is key for drainage, but also make it easy to roll them around. Well, let's put this underneath this one. Gotta lock it in place. That's already a huge improvement from this. And now once I unlock it, it's so easy to roll around. That's really, really nice. Just be sure you lock it back into place when you have it where you want it to be. I'm gonna stop there as I know I cannot lift that pot by myself, but I love how this simple piece makes this pot so much more functional. Because it's a tomato plant, I definitely will want to move it away from the clematis over time and rearrange it and work on different parts of it. And this makes it very easy for me to do that. Now, obviously, there are a ton of reasons why you might want these, from looks to raising the pots off the surface to being able to move them around. These are a great option. Definitely recommend them.